Okay, this is the movement from the 1904 Gingerbread clock. The first thing we got to do before we can work on this movement is we got to get the power off the springs. We're going to take this C-clamp here and we're going to put it around the spring like that. Sometimes a little tricky to get in there. Then you got a little spring click in here that holds your spring, holds the spring tension, lets it wind up. You gotta use this letdown tool here, that on the arbor, and it's a little tricky. You gotta get that spring off. Okay, now the spring's off. So now the trick is you gotta hold this up like that. You gotta watch it don't get away from you, because once you unlock that, now it's gonna unravel. Just gotta take your time with it and let the spring come undone into that C-clamp, and that'll take the pressure off take the power out of the spring rather. And that's one side. That's the chime side. So now we're going to do the time side. So I got to get another clamp. It's the safest way to use these instead of zip ties. It's a little tricky getting this one in there. Not sure how I'm going to get that one in there. Okay, there we go. That works. All right, now I gotta find. There's the top of the spring for the spring click. Do that by popping that up like that. Oh, careful. Doesn't want to come out of there. There we go. Popped off. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Just got to be careful it doesn't get away from you. Just let it slide in your hand, and that takes all the power off the clock. Slide them to the middle like that, and now it's ready to be taken apart. There's no more power on it. Okay, got the movement ready to take apart. I made some marks on the chime side here, so when I put everything back together, I can put that exactly where it needs to be so it'll work correctly. Now I'm going to set my camera to do a time-lapse video. That way I can speed through the process and you can see everything I'm doing as far as taking the movement apart. Okay, we got the whole movement all apart, and this thing's pretty dirty. Next step's to get it into the sonic cleaner and get it all cleaned up and get these springs unwound with the spring winder and clean them up too and get them oiled and get it back together. Okay, this is it for episode 2, part 2. Episode part 3, we'll get the clock back together and running. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.